guys, we're heading on the way to the beach. Let's look at this beautiful background behind me. Wow, look at this beautiful background all around. Otherwise, some guys, the sun is really extremely hot. So today is Easter Monday, and we have decided we're gonna go to the beach. First time going to the beach here. I don't know how far from here it is, but we've been walking for quite a while now. Yeah, so just come along with me and you see the journey. I'm not lie. Yes, it's beautiful. Oh God, look again in the background. Look again. Beautiful. Let me zoom up. Beautiful, man. Yes, guys, so stay tuned and you will see the rest of the journey as we go along.
Then say when the Tanzania you can't walk, but you can't walk.
Yeah, we blow you away.
Yeah. You blow a big brother.
That you want me look at if I have a walker, I would make crazy money right now. Ain't gonna like most parts they walk want to bush, but the bush in here is very high. Want to weed out. So that's the next thing I think of going forward. Eh? Guys, that cherry getter. A view of the iguana. Mighty guy. Nah, I see him. I've seen him, guys. I think it was a big one, you know. Eh? You see him? Where? Where is?
One green one, brown, the old, I want big one.
Can't stop look at the beauty, guys. Very beautiful. Check. Mighty God, man. Mini Jamaica here. Zoo them there. You see them at the zoo, some big one. No man, we not know iguana. Wild are they? Over here. Yeah.
They're not supposed to tell us that they can't go to prison. I'm not fall and tell you.
Cuban them stands say, come here boy and butcher you. Put some seasoning on you. Yeah, cause some yes one bird similar to him though. But and the bigger.
Eh? Bird, I only bird there.
Oh. So we're gonna walk past the airport, you say, Mick?
Eh?
We're gonna walk past the airport. And before you can call this number if you're interested in a nice property. Somewhere up that side. So you can check it out. You come to the BVI, which is the British Virgin Island, East End, Tartola. Plane go to land. Like a little swamp up here. Oh, I can't. That show somebody is hot. Is that like an earthquake? Is that come like a little earthquake? What do you call it? Volcano spot. You know, so this a hot, you know, tootie. Yeah. What's up? Beat the runway. Baba wanna see me again, guys. Catch up on my HM. Me call my line, you know. That my ear grow weird. What the Hassi did. Yes, guys, so stay tuned and to reach closer to the journey. Then we'll check in back. Why? So walk in there. This Cali So Rich Beach. Never get to show you guys the sign. That's it. Long Bay Beach is this way. I think we're So Rich Beach. As I said earlier, we passed the sign. Never picked to mind to show you. But hoping I'm heading back out when after finish swim and enjoy yourself. I'll be able to show you guys. Trust me, it's like the desert itself. Place, the environment, it's like a desert. Really hot, guys. Don't know if you guys are seeing me that much because of the sunlight. But yeah, man, you're deep on it, man. By looking ahead, I can see that about to reach the place. So I'm just excited, anxious at the same time, just to see what's it look like, you know, environment wise, beach setup. So it's a pretty good long walk. Trust me. And maybe through the place is really hot. Beach music. Actually, beautiful spot. And music in the background. Right now, I have cut off the video because of the music in the background. I'm going in the water, but there isn't much people in the water, and then this is a shark environment zone. I'm kind of afraid. So you can see not much few people on the beach, as I mean, in the water. But let's see where it goes from here. This guy is some about the water. The water feel. I mean, it's not cold. I'll just get myself comfortable. And it's a beautiful beach, is beautiful. Just that. I'm a bit nervous because this is a shark environment. Yeah. So taking my time walking. That I'm doing are getting in. water seem heavy, man. Look at that guy over there. The water is really deep. Trust me, the water is beautiful. Guys, very beautiful. Guys, I changed my mind. I'm going in because ain't gonna lie, the people them not too far in the water. Water come up to them shoulder already. Trust me. So I'm a bit nervous about it. So I'm wait. Until everybody else decides to go in the water. So I just get wet my foot for now. But just look at the beauty. Look at the beauty in the back. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Wow. People come to the beach and they come here. Understand what I'm saying? That's it. Come to the beach and they come here. Awesome. And that's it. So we can roll up on it. I'm gonna get this up first and then get check in back again. Yes guys, the man's gonna fall. So let's leave it alone. Maybe it, you have to pay for it. More like with tourists. So just have a respect if you wish and make it stay where it is. So now people them come to beach and them afraid to go in the water. Me should be the one afraid to come no. They've been here for quite a while and they swim in it, they dive in it, everything in it. Put them free of the water. Wow, we took my foot here. Yes guys, so I watch them go in the water first and see how far they go. So I can get confident and going. I get myself with and deep. So I'm just waiting on that moment. Woo! Very strong. I'm afraid of. I don't want to go in here and help me. Try to swim like it. Not too much. Pull me away. Alright, but she just entered the water. I'll show you. The water and go far. Water level reach already. It's very deep, man. And look where that guy is. Basically it's floating out there at the moment. It's floating out there. Trust me.
Dive now? And that's how you dive? You can't dive in the sun.
Going really strong, guys. Trust me. Really afraid of the water. Watch see? The current really strong. You have to really be a good swimmer. Guys, I ain't that swimmer, so I ain't got a chance. Being here, it's a sense of relief, you know. You're good. And at least we can get wet and some part of my body wet, but go out there right now, it's very risky. I'm not good at that. Because out there earlier, it's right at the front and I do a little farm and look at in a sense at that time, but it was overnight and we're just pulling me back in. Rushing wave over there, guys. See? Woo! Watch it. On a rushing wave over there. I see that one. Yeah man, it's a pull you. That me have to do earlier, you know? It's a pull you away, man. Me no want to go out the song, man. It's a pull you. Alright guys, we decided to go to another location because as I mentioned before, the wave or the current is very strong. The water is very deep. The moment you enter, the water reach up to your shoulder. So whenever I have no look of enjoyment, I say we have a swim. So I enter another location. I think they said just up the road from here, so I want to check it out and see what it's like. But trust me, here is very beautiful, and if you come here, I would highly recommend here. You can go and swim. And they have restaurants, bar and all of that on the beach. You know, entertainment. All that setup. So you guys definitely can enjoy yourself there. And if you're a good swimmer, then you will enjoy the water. But you're not good at swimming, so that's the reason why. But in all of this set, I did enjoy the little time I spent here. And just to see the beauty and the scenery. Nice in the background is a plane. It's about to lift off or coming in. But we're literally near to the airport. Oh, see. Walk up a little faster. But it's right there, a nice size plane. Like it just coming in or about to lift off. Wow. Beautiful. Very nice though guys, but beautiful. Trust me. Lift it, I go lift off, you know guys. I go lift off. Look at that! I'm gonna lift off, guys. Look at that! Guys, at least we captured something for you guys. Before the movie is going off. It's gone way in the sky now, so very far in the sky. We're literally near the airport, so where we're staying, we can literally walk from there, go to the airport or to the beach. It's a bit distant, but you can walk. Rather than to take a bus or a taxi, you can walk. So we're heading to the other location to see what it's like. And let's walk home from there and we'll see. At least I came to the beach, one of the beach, because the beach, the more popular beach is on the other side of the end of the island. So very soon or later I'll be going there. Not for today though, but sometimes. on style, I'm showing you now when I go. Look at this guys. Right now I kinda want to turn back, honestly. I don't want to turn back. Walking on that bush go so far. I'll step back out on the main road. It's not work. It's not going to work. Oh God. I enjoyed it little time, you know, so if rather than going home, you have to walk over the rock, you know. I walk around, as I mentioned, see them have a gate up around there. See them my car base mix slippers. Mighty God. Like but the sun going still. Come on, me I capture now. Church guys, me. I capture them. Pay the people their property. It's risky. Just to get over there. I tell you, so I'm kind of afraid of everything. Like, I must shot the bomb board. Beautiful. The one about to take off, guys. Some American really fast now, guys. So, United. Alright, here, so mysterious, so enjoy myself. Right, no sense. So, yeah. Yes, guys, I will stay here as a lone soldier. Let them go and enjoy themselves. I enjoy myself already. Now I'll just 5 minutes, just being in the water and the environment overall. Then give me some form of enjoyment. So, they're alright. For this, I have to do forget to one beach. Very soon. I see right. No. A few months down, I get more comfortable in the island.